Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive down Spadina Road in Toronto, Ontario, as we journey southbound from Bloor Street to King Street. This iconic street is a vibrant artery through the city, offering a rich tapestry of history, culture, and urban life. Our journey begins at the intersection of Bloor Street and Spadina Road, a bustling area that marks the northern edge of the downtown core. As we set off, you'll notice the dynamic mix of shops, restaurants, and cultural institutions that make this part of Spadina Road a lively and diverse neighborhood. The area is known for its eclectic atmosphere, with a blend of student life from nearby universities and a rich cultural scene. As we drive south, you'll pass through the Annex neighborhood, a vibrant community known for its historic homes, tree-lined streets, and bohemian vibe. The Annex is home to the University of Toronto, and its streets are lined with independent bookstores, cafes, and unique shops that reflect the area's intellectual and artistic character. Continuing our journey, Spadina Road becomes Spadina Avenue, a change that signifies a transition into a more urban and commercial area. This part of Spadina is famous for its Chinatown, one of the largest and most vibrant in North America. As we approach Dundas Street, you'll see an array of Asian markets, restaurants, and shops that offer a taste of diverse cultures and cuisines. Chinatown is a bustling hub of activity with its colorful storefronts and the aroma of delicious street food. As we continue south, you'll notice the street's transformation into a major commercial and cultural corridor. Spadina Avenue is lined with a variety of businesses, from fashion boutiques to electronic stores, making it a popular shopping destination for both locals and visitors. The drive down Spadina Road is a journey through the heart of Toronto, offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural diversity and urban energy. From the historic charm of the Annex to the bustling streets of Chinatown and the vibrant nightlife of King Street, this route showcases the dynamic and multicultural spirit of Toronto. Thanks for watching!